Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between maybe and may be. It may seem like a small distinction, but using the correct one can make a big difference in your English writing. Maybe is an adverb that means perhaps or possibly. For example, maybe we should go to the beach this weekend. It's used to express uncertainty or doubt. On the other hand, may be is a verb phrase that means might be or could be. For instance, he may be late for the meeting. It's used to indicate a possibility or likelihood. Remember, maybe is one word and is used as an adverb, while may be is two words and is used as a verb phrase. Mixing them up can lead to confusion in your writing. So next time you're unsure whether to use maybe or may be, remember their different functions in a sentence. Practice using them correctly to improve your vocabulary and grammar skills. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on impressive English learning. See you next time.